Hello, my name is Pratham Aloya. My student roll number is 2510994816. Uh, this is task 7.1 of SIT 232 OOPS. In this video, I'll be explaining how a new transaction type can be added to the bank system and what changes are required in the bank class. Here we have our transaction class. In my system, all transactions inherit from an abstract transaction class. Because of this, the bank does not depend on specific transaction types like deposit or withdraw. Instead, it works with the general transaction type using polymorphism. Here we can see that this is a transaction class and it is being inherited by other classes as the parent class. Moving on. Here the method execute transaction. This method, the execute transaction method, accepts any object of type transaction. Since all transaction types inherit from this base class, the bank can execute any transaction without changing this method. Adding a new transaction type. To add a new transaction type, I do not need to modify the bank class. Instead, I only need to create a new class that inherits from transaction, implement the required methods like execute, rollback, print, or success property. In else we can add some other things, but yeah. For example, I could create an interest transaction or fee transaction. Once created, I can pass it directly to this execute transaction and it will work automatically. If you ask me why no changes are needed in the bank class, this is possible due to because of polymorphism. The bank treats all transaction as a common type, so it does not need to know the exact subclass. This makes the system flexible and easy to extend. So to summarize all this, adding a new transaction type only requires creating a new subclass and no changes are needed in the bank class due to polymorphism.